Did you ever notice when you start a project, you have a clear intent on where you're going with it, and then you realize that you got another little side project that you got to make something so that you can finish the other project? That's what this video is about. So grab a cup of coffee, popcorn, hot dog, whatever it's going to take. Here's how it goes. So this all started about 2 years ago when I decided to cash in some stocks and invest in a bunch of shop equipment. I'd already been collecting bits and pieces here and there, but I finally had a place that I could throw them all into and make a nice, decent shop. And it is a decent shop, if it doesn't look like this. And that's what happens when you get a project here and a project there and a friend's project and this, make a little money on the side doing this project, and then you got projects piled on projects. Even my shop crew was starting to get worried. Well, finally, about 3 days ago, my good friend Eric came by, and due to my restrictions, I'm not able to lift much of anything at the moment, so he very kindly and graciously helped me clean up a good portion of the shop. And so with that, since we have a clean shop, we decided we needed to get kicking butt on finishing this base, and decided that we really can't afford all the fret files and leveling tools, so we're going to have to make our own. Today our update is how I made a fret file. Enjoy! Okay, so here's where we are at on the body. We getting ready to pour some epoxy, but what if we did something like this? What do you think? Leave a comment down in the boxes below, and as always, remain upright, breathing, and creating. See you later.